Assalamu alaikum friends, hello everyone. Once again, welcome to back our channel, Crochet Lovers. So friends, how are you? And hope Allah will may Almighty keep you happy, keep you homes and happy, and may you continue to enjoy like this. Ameen. So friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful, amazing, stylish crochet neck warmer designs ideas collection. Beautiful designs, beautiful patterns, very amazing, colorful crochet, stylish neck warmer designs ideas collection, winter collection. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe my channel first, and also be sure to follow, press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and amazing designs. Show to people in it. All the designs that I am sharing with you today are new designs brought to your channel in the first time.